In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Overcast photos into something truly awesome using Adobe Photoshop. This will be an easy and quick way to add a beautiful sunset to an otherwise boring sky. First, we need to open Adobe Photoshop. If you're familiar with Photoshop, you know it's an incredibly powerful tool for all sorts of image editing tasks. If you're not yet familiar, don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step. Once you've got Photoshop open and ready, we can begin by importing the image you wish to transform. Simply go to File in the top menu, then click on Open, and select the image file stored on your device that you want to work with. It might be a photo taken during an overcast day that could really use that vibrant sunset touch. Once your image is open in Photoshop, let's direct our attention to the top of the screen. You'll want to click on the Edit menu. It's the home of many photo editing tools, but today we're particularly interested in the sky replacement feature. By selecting sky replacement, Photoshop really speeds up our creative process by allowing us to seamlessly integrate a stunning sunset into your image. A new window will appear within Photoshop featuring various options. This window is where you can choose the sky preset that you want to add to your image. These presets provide a range of moods and colors, from peaceful evening skies to dramatic sunset landscapes. Browse through the different options and select the one that best fits the look you're aiming to achieve. You can preview how each preset will appear in your photo, which is incredibly helpful for making the right choice. After selecting your desired sky preset, you'll notice Photoshop automatically adjusts and blends the new sky into your original image. It's remarkable how advanced this tool is, because it considers things like lighting and perspective to make sure the new sky looks like it's meant to be there. You'll see the colors and lighting of the overall image often become more harmonious, creating a new, cohesive scene out of what was once a dull snapshot. Keep in mind you have additional editing options even after choosing your sky. You can tweak the temperature and lighting, and even adjust the scale of the new sky to make it fit perfectly with the rest of your image. Feel free to play around with these settings until you achieve your desired effect. And there you have it, a quick and convenient way to transform an ordinary overcast photograph into a stunning image with a captivating sunset, all thanks to Adobe Photoshop's sky replacement feature. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it inspires you to explore more creative edits with your photos. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.